how to prepare you for a doctor's visit. If you tell me the symptoms in a little better way, it's much easier for me. I call it Dr. Aid.
Don't tell the patient what to do, but tell them why to do it. The value of focusing on patient experience before, during, and after their time with the doctor is important for both the patient and the doctor. Dr. Singh has a number of patient education seminars aimed at educating the patient to be better informed.
Occasion. What were you doing? And let's say 3 p.m. I was mowing my lawn. That's why I had a chest pain. Or is this chest pain going towards anywhere? Radiation. Associated features, any fever, chills, increasing factors, decreasing factor. So if you have a non-pain or pain symptoms, if you remember this, you'll be able to tell doctors in a better way. And it will be much easier. And I add over here, location of the pain and grade.
Contact Dr. Harpreet Singh to speak at your business or organization. Healthy employees make better workers. Call 269-818-1000.